What if an ex moves out of state and stops alimony? Imagine you're counting on regular alimony payments, and suddenly your ex moves hundreds of miles away and stops paying. What happens next? Well, the truth is, moving out of state doesn't automatically end the obligation to pay alimony. The court order remains legally binding no matter where your ex lives. So, if payments stop, you need to take action. The first step is to understand that enforcement is not automatic across state lines. You must register the original alimony order in the new state, where your ex now resides. This process is guided by the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act, which helps states work together to enforce support orders. The original state that issued the alimony order usually keeps jurisdiction over it. That means only that state's courts can modify or cancel the order. If your ex moves from one state to another, the new state can enforce the order but cannot change its terms. If your ex stops paying, you can file a motion for contempt or ask the court to garnish wages. But remember, enforcement actions are typically handled in the state that issued the original order. If your ex avoids payments by moving away, you might face delays and legal costs. Sometimes, federal laws are proposed to make it a crime to evade alimony by moving out of state, but currently, enforcement relies on cooperation between states. If payments stop after your ex moves, act quickly. You can request the court to enforce the order through legal channels. This might include wage garnishment or contempt proceedings. Courts will review any claims your ex makes about stopping payments, like retirement benefits offsetting alimony. They will decide based on the original order and state laws. Given the complexities, it's wise to consult a family law attorney experienced in interstate support enforcement. They can help you register the order in the new state, file enforcement actions, and navigate jurisdiction rules. Remember, moving out of state does not end the obligation to pay alimony. You have legal options to ensure payments continue, and the original state retains authority over the order. The key is acting promptly and working through legal channels to enforce your rights.